The University of Washington has transitioned from in-person classes to online classes, due to the outbreak of COVID-19. Studying from home can be challenging. You may find yourself easily distracted by your pet, family members, the fridge, the TV, roommates, and your bed. Tech problems or limited access to equipment might also create a barrier to effective online learning. For a number of reasons, you might just find yourself not as motivated or productive. Some of you may also struggle with anxiety related to COVID-19, while also facing academic stress. Studying from home will require stronger willpower than usual to stay focused, and adapting those tried and true strategies in this new learning environment. To make this difficult adjustment a bit more manageable, we've included some tips below for distance learning. Let's see what are those. Establish a routine. Treat your study from home as if you are going to the library or classes. Set a time to wake up, freshen up, eat breakfast, and get dressed. Having an established routine can provide structure for your life and signal your brain it is time to get work done. Have a dedicated study area. Creating a physical boundary between your study area and your relaxation area could be very helpful to stay focused when studying from home. This can also help you to contain your academic stress to the study space. Take notes for online classes. It is important to put your phone away, turn off notifications from messages and social media on your computer, and close irrelevant web pages to minimize distraction. Taking notes during the online classes can also keep your hands busy and help to turn your attention to the class content. Keep a routine for physical activity. Set break times for your study session, every 45 minutes, to get up, move around, and activate different parts of your brain. You can stretch, do a set of jumping jacks, walk around the room, and take a look at the view outside the window. Don't forget your social time. Build in some social time during your day can motivate you to stay focused when studying. You can set a time when you are less productive, to reach out to friends and family. You can connect with them, either through phone calls or video chatting. Create a study plan and share it with others. Write down what you need to accomplish in the next 3 days, and break them down into small tasks to complete in each day. Break down a big task into smaller chunks can make things less overwhelming, and help you to get more motivated in getting them done. You can also share your study plan with your friends, study buddies, to keep yourself accountable. Eat well, sleep well. Select healthy snacks when you study, and prepare lunches that will not put you to sleep afterward. Having at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night is the best way to help you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to start your study during the day. Avoid multitasking. You can designate your less productive time of the day to attend to chores. Set your schedule in a way that you can focus on one thing at a time, i.e. studying, chores, relaxing, exercising, and know that you will have designated time later for other things on your to-do list. Carve out and clean out your study space. If you already have a desk in your bedroom, that's a great start. Do a little cleaning and make room for your books, computer and any other study tools. Remove, during your chosen study time, anything unrelated to your test prep. If you don't have a desk in your room, maybe you're sharing counter or table space with others in your home, choose a dedicated area where you can study. Make sure it's clean, clutter-free and generally quiet during your study time. Also, be sure to remove all of your study materials once you're finished, so that the space may go back to its original purpose. Using a portable container, like a crate, backpack or small box, that you can dedicate to housing your GMAT study materials is helpful. You can keep everything together, and move between spaces easily when necessary. Communicate to others in your home that you will be studying. It's crucial to let anyone else in your home know when you'll be studying, whether it is a set time each day or a block of hours on certain days. This will give you quiet time to focus, and hopefully ensure that you are not disturbed. Tune out distractions. If you find that you need to tune out the noise being made by others around your home, prepare yourself with some headphones, and your favorite studying music. Instrumental music, classical, jazz, lo-fi hip-hop, or synth wave, for example, is helpful as background music, canceling out unwanted noise as well as providing a motivating soundtrack for studying. Experiment with different genres to see what works for you. Focus. During your chosen study times, focus. The more focused and dedicated you are, the more effective your study time will be. If you go over your allotted time, great. Your hyperfocus helped you to study hard and prepare, even more than you'd planned. If you're finding it difficult to focus, take a short break to stretch, breathe or enjoy some refreshments. Reward yourself. Focusing on studying during a pandemic, especially under quarantine or shelter-in-place orders, comes with particular difficulties. If you've managed to study and focus for the duration of your goal time, be sure to reward yourself. The reward could be an extra hour of binge watching your favorite show, eating an indulgent dessert, taking a nap, or anything else that you enjoy. This will reinforce good study habits and, of course, it will be a well-deserved treat. Keep reading. Whether you're reading for pleasure or for reference, keep at it. Reading has been proven to help with vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension on standardized tests. It will also help to stimulate your mind in your downtime. Set realistic goals. When coming up with your study plan, be sure to set goals that you can actually achieve. If you plan to study for 3 hours a day, while perhaps also juggling a full-time job that you're now trying to do from home, you may fall short and lose motivation. These are the best tips you should follow when studying from home. If you got this video helpful, please give a thumbs up to the video. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more important videos like this. Thanks for watching.